Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to upload your own fonts to Canva. First things first, visit the Canva website and go to Plans and Pricing. Choose then the Canva Pro to access font upload features. After that, go to the left-hand side and click on Brand Hub, then scroll down to Fonts and click on Add New. You want to upload then your font file from your desktop, and on the Canva homeboard, open a design. Click then on any existing font in your design, and in the font options, find and click on Upload Font. If prompted, ensure that you are using Canva Pro, then upload your custom font file from your desktop. Once the font is uploaded, it will be available in your font library as soon as possible. Then, you just want to verify the successful upload by selecting the uploaded font in your design. Use your uploaded custom fonts in various designs, experiment with different styles, sizes, and effects to enhance your creations. Lastly, after finalizing your design with custom fonts, just save and share your work. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.